Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to 2026. Today is the first day, and today we will discuss about how we can make this year only for us. As always, we made a plan in the beginning of the first day of year, and how we forget this resolution, this plan we could not realize. But I want to make something different this 2026, and I want to come back, and I want to make a most important year of my life. I want to make it more beautiful, more joy, and more happiness. I know for that I have to work hard. I have to avoid my all bad habit. I have to accept some new habit also. Yes, I am ready for that, because I can't live my life as a normal, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give me a life. Here I also have an option. I can use it, either I can waste it. But I have to make it more valuable and more successful. So how I can make it more important? This is a question. So I can give my 100% in every simple work, and I can also avoid my bad habit also, as like I was scrolling mobile. I used to scroll mobile in 2026, and also sometime I also try to gossip with parents and unnecessary, and sometime I was so high temper, and sometime I was wasting time. But when I will decide, no, this year should be most important, most valuable, so then I will work a lot. Then I will start a new and many more things. So anyhow, any cost, I have to make it more important. In my previous year, I was also trying to become a English speaker, but this year I will do something different. There I was spending lots of time for listening, lots of time for one-to-one practice. But this year I will read a lot, because I believe also, because reading is most important. Not only reading, I will read as like means I am talking with someone. This habit I should be applied, because these things is so difficult for me, for rather than talking, rather than listening. So which things is difficult, and I don't want to do this work. So this year I will do these things. I will try to achieve my goal, and I will try to burn myself, because when you not burn a iron in a red color, so that time you can't make it another weapon. For making weapon, you have to first red iron. That time you can make another weapon also. Same, when we will burn ourselves, when we will give our 100%, that time we will find my results also. I am wandering here and there, but no, this year should be analyze myself. This year should be different from another year. This year should be totally different from another most year. Yes, and in inshallah ta'ala, I also ask grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, give me a strength, give me power for transforming. You gave me every quality, every ability. I can make myself, success. Please help me. I asked them. So only one thought in mind: how can utilize my work in a good work? This is my effort, and I will do it, inshallah ta'ala. Thank you for watching my video.